So, for the first game, would you like to say what's the first game? The first game is say the same number. So this is just like an intuition test. Ha? At dahil may test naman ako, kahit matawag ako na bahala sa kanya. So, both of you will be secretly choose one number ranging from 1 to 9. When I give a signal, you will shout out your chosen number at the same time. There you go. The same time. If the number match, the fan wins! And if they don't match, unfortunately, it's okay. But again, ako bahala sa kanya ba? Alright? So I'll count 1 to 3. After 3, you say the number. Okay? Are you guys ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3! Oh! Ang bilis na no? Oh my God! Oh! So, do you have your phone with you? Yes. So, a surprise, you can now take a picture with Sugar. Ate! Wala ka! One lucky fan! Thank you so much. Congratulations. This is going